I'm Mark Calloway, Applications Engineer at Man & Machine, and today I'm going to show you how to download and install Revit 2020. Revit 2020 consists of 7 separate files which you need to download. The links can be found in the description of this video. Once you've downloaded the files, you only need to run file 1 of 7. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to double click on that file now. The first thing we'll find is that the Autodesk installer will want to extract the files onto my computer. This will take a good number of minutes to run through, and in a second you will see the window pop up. Here you can see the self-extract window. Again, this is going to take a number of minutes to run through, so let's skip ahead. We've got our Revit 2020 installation window here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Install button now. This is going to take us through to the next page, which should ask us if we want to accept the license agreement. So as soon as that comes up, I'm going to accept that and move on to the next stage. Okay, so here we have the license agreement. Just as mentioned, I'm going to accept that and click next. The Revit installer is now asking me what components I want to install. So I'm just going to have a quick look and see what's in here. I'm probably just going to go with the default option. It looks like everything's turned on anyhow. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click that install button. Again, make sure you've got enough disk space on there. And just double check the installation path is where you want Revit to be installed. So now that Revit's installing, we can see at the top the progress of the component that's been installed. There is a number of components as well as Revit to be installed, such as certain Windows updates that Revit requires, such as .NET Framework and Visual C++. At the bottom of the window we can see the overall progress bar, and this is for the installation of everything that's involved. And we can see on the bottom right hand corner here the number of components remaining out of the total. So once again, I'm going to do a bit of movie magic and we're going to skip to the end. Okay, so Revit 2020 has completed its installation. You should get this successfully installed window here showing you that all the components have been installed correctly. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Launch Now button, but you might get a prompt to reboot your computer. Certain Windows updates may require your computer to be started, but I now have Revit 2020 available for use. Thank you for watching.